9 power of x plus 7 is equal to 90. Find the value of x. So here we apply this exponential rule that a power of m plus n is equal to a power m times a power n. So 9 power of x plus 7 is same as 9 power x times 9 power 7. Then here is equal to 90. Now we divided by 9 power 7 in both sides. So divided by 9 power 7 divided by 9 power 7. We see this 9 power 7, this 9 power 7 will be cancelled. Now we apply log in both sides. So log of 9 power x is equal to log of 90 over 9 power 7. Now here we apply rule that log m power r is equal to r log m. This power move to the base. So this power x will move to the base, so it can be written as x log 9 is equal to, here we apply this formula, log of a by b is equal to log a minus log b. Log a minus log b. So it will be log 90 minus log 9 power 7. Now we have x log 9 is equal to log 90 minus this power 7 will move to the base, so it will be 7 log 9. 7 log 9. Now we divided by log 9 in both sides. So divided by log 9 divided by log 9. So this log 9 will be cancelled. So we have x is equal to this part of log 9 minus this part of log 9. So log 90 over log 9 minus 7 log 9 over log 9. Now we see this log 9 will be cancelled. So we have x is equal to log 90 can be written as log of 9 times 10 over log 9 minus 7. In the next step, x is equal to log of 9 times 10. So we apply this formula, log of a times b is equal to log a plus log b. So it will be log 9 plus log 9 plus log 10 over log 9 minus 7. Now x will be equal to log 9 over log 9, then here plus log 10 can be written as log of 5 times 2 over log 9. Then here minus 7. Now this log 9 will be cancelled. Here 1. So x will be equal to 1 plus log of 5 times 2 is same as log 5 plus log 2 over log 9 is same as 2 log 3. Then here minus 7. In the next step, x will be equal to 1 plus log 5 over 2 log 3 plus log 2 over 2 log 3. Then here minus 7. Now x will be equal to here 1 over 2, then log 5 over log 3, log 5 over log 3 is same as log 5 base 3, then plus here 1 over 2, then log 2 over log 3 is same as log 2 base 3. Then this plus 1 and this minus 7, that means it will be minus 6. So this is the value of x, so this is our final answer.